There is a moment in every day when you walk through your front door and take off your shoes. It is such a small act that you barely notice. But in that moment, a decision is made. Do you leave your shoes where they fall, creating a small pile of footwear that grows throughout the day, a tripping hazard, and a visual mess? Or do you place them somewhere deliberate, somewhere that contains them, somewhere that says, this is where shoes belong? That somewhere, when it is made of wood, becomes more than a storage solution. It becomes a piece of furniture that shapes how you enter and leave your home, how you transition from outside to inside, from the world to your sanctuary. A wooden shoe rack is one of the most practical pieces of furniture you can own, but it is also one of the most overlooked. We spend so much time thinking about sofas, tables, about beds and bookshelves, about the big pieces that define a home. But the small pieces, the ones that we use every day, the ones that live at the edges of our lives, these matter just as much. A shoe rack sits near the door. You see it when you come in. You use it when you leave. It is part of your daily rhythm, a part of the furniture of transition. And when it is made well, when it is made from wood, it brings a quiet dignity to that small, repeated act. Think about the alternative: a pile of shoes by the door, a plastic rack that wobbles, a wireframe that crashes the floor and holds nothing securely. Those are not solutions, they are compromises. They acknowledge that shoes need to be stored somewhere, but they do nothing to make that storage pleasant or orderly. A wooden shoe rack, by contrast, is intentional. It is built for its purpose. It has a solid presence. It does not wobble. It does not scratch. It holds your shoes with the same care that a good shelf holds your books or a good table holds your meals. The design of a wooden shoe rack can vary widely, and that variety matters because shoes themselves vary widely. A rack for a family of four with hiking boots and running shoes and sandals and dress shoes needs to be different from a rack for a single person who wears only one or two pairs. A rack for a narrow entryway needs to be different from a rack for a spacious mudroom. A rack that sits on the floor is different from a rack that hangs on the wall. The wood adapts. It can be shaped into a two-tier rack, a three-tier rack, a bench with storage underneath, a narrow cabinet that closes to hide the shoes entirely. Each design is a response to a specific need, a specific space, a specific way of living. The choice of wood for a shoe rack matters because a shoe rack lives on the floor, near the door, in the path of dirt and moisture and daily traffic. It needs to be durable. It needs to withstand the occasional wet sole, the scuff of a boot, the weight of a heavy shoe dropped from standing height. Oak is a traditional choice, hard and strong. Its bold grain hiding the inevitable scratches. Maple is harder still, pale and clean, resistant to wear. Pine is softer, more affordable, but it will show its history more readily, developing a patina of dings and marks that some people find charming. Teak, though more expensive, is naturally water resistant, ideal for a rack near a door that opens to rain and snow. The finish of a wooden shoe rack is another consideration. A clear, penetrating oil allows the wood to breathe and develop a patina over time. A varnish or polyurethane provides a harder, more protective surface, easier to wipe clean. Paint can turn a simple rack into a statement piece, a pop of color in an otherwise neutral entryway. Each finish changes how the rack looks, how it feels, how it ages. And because a shoe rack is used daily, touched often, seen every time you come and go, those small differences accumulate. The rack becomes part of the texture of your home. Beyond the practical, there is something symbolic about a shoe rack. Shoes carry the outside in. They have walked on pavement and grass, through rain and mud, across parking lots and sidewalks. They bring with them the dust of the world. A shoe rack is the first stop on the journey inside. It is where you shed the outside, where you leave the day behind, where you transition from the public to the private. That act repeated every day. I'm curious about the entryway in your own home. Do you have a place for shoes, or do they pile up by the door? Do you have a rack you love, one that serves its purpose beautifully? Or is there something you have never thought about? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.